Greeting from Zhisha to Knowledge Seeker. You've just landed on a colorful data channel, the spot to explore data challenges. Let's dive into the today challenge. Uh, in the Power BI, sometimes we have a table with a null value. As you may see, we have here we have three columns. On the master customer and on the product we have two columns. But this is for the small table. It's okay, we can just choose column and then remove the null, or maybe keep the shift and select it and then remove that columns. Just shift and these two and remove. But for the table with the 500 columns and 50 of that columns are null, what we can do? So it's better that to jump to the M query. First, we add the next step here, and that name we need it. Let's look at it. What is the name of the column which contain the null value? So we may do the select column names. So for the first parameters, we should pass the name of the previous step here. And then for the second one, we should list the name of the all column, which is empty. So we should use the each. So list null. This one. So table column. Column. And again, we should pass the name of the previous step here. Comma, underscore, and then to check the null. We will see. Good. Size and weight was empty. So we want to remove these two. This would be the second parameter of what? Just add the previous step, add the custom one. Good. And remove. Simple. Table, move columns. Good. Yeah, we don't have it anymore. So keep it easy, Control C and go to the master customer. We have a chance to add here next step and here. So just it is the change type, the name of the previous step. So here I add this one and change all to the change type, this parameter. That is name of the previous step. For this specific table, the previous step is change type. So I added. Good. We will see. Oh, no, they are here. Oh my God. So, what is the problem here? Look, the previous one was null, but this is not a null, it's a blank. Because of that, with that specific formulation, we cannot remove it. If I change it, the type, as you may know that from this step, we have a possibility to change the type. If we go to the numbers, that formulation will work, but actually not for that, as just I jump it, disappear. The addresses disappear because it's a null, but here's a blank. So I remove this one. I added next step. In that formulation, we need that one thing more, that to say, okay, if it's a blank, convert it to null and then remove it. I added like here. Of course, I will add it on a description. And you may see that here. First, check about that in the case of the blank converted to the null, but the rest are the same as the before. Yeah, now we don't have any null value here. It's much easier for the big table. And then that's it for the today.